Hey everybody, this video got another Master Lock 930. I just randomly picked one a few days ago. And then I did a job on Friday, and property maintenance company actually had this one that I guess they found somewhere without a key. So whenever they get like combination lost, whatever, I always decode them and whatnot for them. And this one they wanted so I can make a key for it. So thought we would try. Yeah, look at that, already open. I am wondering actually if that's even pinned all the way. Okay, and that's actually got a Phillips screw in it, which is not what these things come with, so this thing's been monkeyed with a little bit. They normally have like a 764 Allen key usually. Pinning tray here. Here's a cylinder, and this one actually has a clip on it. The one the other day actually did not. It was actually crimped on both sides, so that's cool. So we can actually take it apart here. Careful not to lock it back. And I'm just going to drop the drivers without a follower, or use the plug as a follower. Maybe. Okay, nothing in chamber 6. Okay, there's first key pin. And should be able to get the first driver here in just a second. And there's one there. Let me cover it so it doesn't fly out. Okay, and that's number 5th driver. And we get the 2nd and 3rd key pins here. There's number 2, and something just fell in my hand out of the spring. And 1. Okay, I'm see the 3rd key pins. These are all standard pins here so far. There's 4th driver, the spring. Not that it matters what order they go in. And since we're doing a video, I might even try to do this on video. Okay, it's 3rd driver. And just get the last driver out of there. Or almost the last one. So everything's standard in this, so that's no wonder that it popped open so easily. And there's the last driver. And all of our springs. And then we got pins number, got a key blank here, number 5 and number 4. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and measure these. This might be a longish video here. Just a piece of paper here. Cut the key backwards so the old key isn't going to work anymore. So 2-1 is a 7 on a master lock. 17 is a 4 on a master lock. One 5 is a 3 on a master lock. And 1 4 is a 2 on a master lock. And 200 would be a 6 on a master lock. So the bidding was 74326 is what it was, and I'm going to cut the key in reverse. So let me get a camera set up out there, and we will do that. All right, so we're at the truck here, and here's the bidding we're going to be cutting to. The lock was actually 74326, but I'm doing 62347. So if the old keys are floating around anywhere, they're not going to work. Probably aren't though. I don't even know where the guy found it at or where it'll be used at. But anyway, here's the card we're going to use. Master standard large pin C35 on the Blitz machine, and we have our CW or our C1011 wheel on there. M10 blank will be the blank we're cutting these on. And so 62347. Alright, so we got keys here. We'll head back inside, switch back to the Sony camcorder from the GoPro, and we'll see if they work. Alright, so got the keys cut here. And of course, had to leave for a call. I just got back, so yeah, we'll see if we can put this back together. I've already reloaded the drivers to save some time on that. And hopefully I got this in the right way. Both sides kind of look the same, and you definitely want the flat part on the back, but just try this. So it doesn't work, then I'll try it the other way. So I'm not even convinced this is an actual master lock cylinder actually. Anyway, here's our key, and remember I cut it backwards, so we're going to put pin 5 into 1, and so on and so forth here. And it just makes it to where the if somebody does have an old key floating around somewhere, it's not going to work. I got that loaded up here, and all right. Okay, put the clip on. Maybe. And I'd like to make sure this thing actually works here, because like I said, I'm not totally sure. That's like actually an American lock screw, maybe. Make sure that the clip's not all the way on. I'm trying to make sure I got this in there the right way, so I don't make it to where it won't open. So I'm just going to lock it back. Drop this in here so it can't move, and stick a key in here and see if it opens. And I do feel it doing the hit the actuator. Okay, good. It's just stuck. So okay, so I got the cylinder in there the right way. Pull the key out. Now we'll stick our screw back in. Alright, so I think I picked, gutted, keys made for it, and so just need to grab a key ring. And this guy's good to go. So, alright, that'll do it for that video, and till next time, we'll talk to everybody later.